In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, reply to, and manage notes in InCopy. Notes in Adobe InCopy are a simple, built-in way to leave comments for yourself or teammates, and they also travel with stories linked to InDesign. They don't change your final text, but they make collaboration clearer and faster. To add a note, first open your story in either Galley or Story View if you want notes to appear in line, or use Layout View if you prefer working with the Notes panel. Place your cursor exactly where you want the comment to live. You can create the note from the Notes menu by choosing New Note, or grab the Note tool in the Tools panel and click in the text where the note should go. In Galley or Story View, your comment appears right in the story between colored bookend brackets, so you can see it in context as you type. If you're in Layout View, type your note in the Notes panel instead. A handy tip: if a passage of text needs an explanation, select that text and choose Notes, then convert to Note. It wraps the selection into a note without changing the main story. To view and navigate notes, open the Notes panel from Window Notes. The panel shows the note content, author, and timestamps, and gives you buttons to move through notes. You can also jump between comments using Notes, Previous Note, or Next Note. If your screen is busy, you can show or hide note details. In Galley or Story View, click the colored bookend to expand or collapse the note in line. In Layout View, click the note's anchor to show or hide its details in the Notes panel. Editing a note is straightforward. In Galley or Story View, click between the bookends and edit the note text directly. In Layout View, select the note in the Notes panel and make your changes there. For threaded discussions, many teams simply add a new note at the same spot to reply, keeping each thought clear and time-stamped. When a note has served its purpose, you can remove it. To delete a single note, place your cursor inside it and choose Notes, Delete Note, or remove it from the Notes panel. If you need a clean slate, choose Notes. Remove Notes from Story to clear all notes in the current story, or Notes. Remove all notes to wipe them from the entire document. If you don't see notes, double-check your view and make sure they're not collapsed. And remember, keeping your cursor outside a note ensures you're editing your story, not the comment. With these tools, you'll keep feedback organized and your workflow smooth.